Hey everybody, I'm Tom Simmons, Senior Content Creator here at HRP Associates, joined today by
Chris Parrotta, Project Consultant for HRP Associates.
And we're here to tell you about dam inspections, one of the many engineering services offered by HRP Associates. To show you what that looks like, we have some drone footage here that we collected out in the field last year. To start off with, Chris, can you tell us what a dam inspection is?
So we pretty much go out to the dam, inspect the quality of it, how well it's performing, is there any imperfections that we need to work on, to talk to our clients and make sure they implement to make it so it's up to standards, there's no risk or harm for the public, or if it actually does fail, what mitigations we could have for it.
So what can you tell us about the dam that we're seeing in this footage?
So the dam that we're seeing here is built up of a couple of different parts. You have the main spillway, which is a OG spillway, spelled O-G-E-E.
Okay.
That's how you actually say it.
Got it.
So that just is the main spillway. The water flows over in a constant S-curve, so it has more flow going for it. We have the drone footage going up. We're looking at how it's constructed. If there's any scaling of the concrete, if any of it's breaking apart, is there trash, debris, other things built up on top of it. So when you're going through it, Tom has the drone going over the spillway, seeing what imperfections, if there's spots that we could see that needs to be touched up. This one's built on ledge. They could see where it kind of meets the island that is bordered to, I believe that's the west side of it. So that's the main spillway for it. Then if you go back over to where the main part of the dam is, you have the auxiliary spillway. That one's used for when you have excess flow going in that goes over, so just in case if you need it, or if there's more rainfall, it could handle all the flow going out.
Gotcha. And what are some of the things that you can tell about the condition of these dams here from the footage that we're seeing so far?
Main spillway, that one's in good condition. There's not too much scaling. We don't see chunks of concrete broken off from it. For the auxiliary and where all the training walls are, when we're looking at it, we see a lot of scaling of the concrete, so chunks broken off. You could see part of rebar where the water goes into where the inlets are for where you have the trash racks, and they did have gates at one point to control the water levels. You could see that there's undermining of the tailing wall right where there was a pump house structure. So if you look there, you could see a chunk taken out and the water just flows and is degrading that wall. So that's definitely something that needs to be looked at and monitored and reinforced. By state rules, it is supposed to be operational, but this one's not. So that's definitely something we're going to look at and talk to, saying we need something so you can at least control the levels going over the dam.
Gotcha. Well, everybody, thanks for joining us today. Hope you learned something about dams and dam inspections. As always, if you want to get in touch with HRP Associates for our incredible engineering services, make sure to hit up our website linked below. We'll see you in the next one, everybody. Bye.